Hello my beautiful babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching today. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I picked up from the Sephora sale that they just had. It was their Beauty Insider event where you could have either got 10% off, 15% off, or 20% off. So I got some items. I didn't go too crazy this time because I'm not trying to spend too much money and, you know, just be totally crazy just because there's a sale. And then I did pick up some stuff from Ulta that I've been wanting to try that also went on sale. So if you are interested in seeing all that, then I highly recommend you keep on watching. Alright lovelies, I hope everyone's doing well. I hope you're enjoying the new setup. In my previous video I mentioned I was filming in my living room, and I think I want to keep going with that because I like the background and all that. But I will show the Sephora items first, and then I'll go into the Ulta things. But if you are new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, hauls, and all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to ring that notification bell because I do try to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. But anyways, let's get into this haul. So the first thing I got from Sephora was the Natasha Denona Trichrome palette. That is the only item in this haul today that I don't physically have on hand. So I'm going to put a picture of it in the corner. It is just taking so long to get to me. It's super delayed in shipping, but I didn't want to hold up this whole video for one item. But that is the Trichrome palette. It's her new palette that just came out. It's mainly matte. It has 3 multi-chromes, and it's the first time she's had a multi-chrome in her palette. It does retail for $129, so that's why I wanted to, you know, make sure I benefited from the sale and got that 20% off. But I love Natasha Denona's formula. I love her mattes. And this is one of her larger palettes. That's why it's on the pricier side. The pans are pretty big in this one from what I can see. But I can't wait to get that in the mail. I will do a separate video on it where I'll do swatches, some looks, and give you guys my overall thoughts on the palette. So stay tuned for that. That will be coming as soon as I get it in the mail. So then the next item I got was the Melt Cosmetics it's the Digital Dual Blusher. Is that what it's called? No. Digital Dust Dual Blush. This is in the shade Buzzkill, but don't you guys love this packaging? Melt just has excellent packaging. And then this is what the actual blush looks like, and it's just so adorable. It has 2 shades in it, but look at the mirror and the little details, and then on there's like the little bee and the honeycombs. It's so cute. But you get 2 shades, and one's more like a blush or could be a blush topper, and then the other one is more like a highlight, like a peachy champagne highlight. But I'm gonna swatch both of them here for you. And then those are the shades in there. So gorgeous. If you like a sheeny, glowy blush moment, you'd probably really love this blush right here. And then this one makes a beautiful highlight. I do have that on the cheeks here. That is why I am glowing. I love a good glowy cheek moment. I just love glowy blushes, so I'm so happy that I finally picked this one up. And this does retail for $39, which is pretty pricey for a blush, but you do get 2 shades. And I thought, hey, I got a discount, I can finally try it. I could not stop thinking about this product ever since it released, so I'm so happy to finally get my hands on it. And then the next item I got was a foundation. This is from KVD Beauty. This is their True Portrait Liquid to Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Medium 54, which is kind of dark for me right now. This is more my summer shade. But this was $18. It was actually on sale, and then I got the other, you know, discount off of it. I hope that doesn't mean it's going to be discontinued. But Annette's Makeup Corner, she's a YouTuber I watch, raves about this foundation. She has an oily skin type, and so do I. So I wanted to give it a try. It's a matte to powder foundation, so it dries down to a matte powder finish. But this is what it looks like. The tube is like squeezy. So you squeeze right here. I'll show you guys the top of it. And then there's a little like ball inside of it. You can hear it. It's because it's a super thin formula, so I guess that's to help mix it up. But it went on so nice. I do have that foundation on, and you know, I was able to work it out even though it's on the darker side for me right now. And it went on so nice. It's so lightweight. It's a really thin formula, but it gives you a lot of coverage, and I didn't have to use a lot to cover my whole face. And I like the dry down, I like the matte finish, especially because, you know, I have oily skin, so I gravitate to things that are matte. So I think that this might be a really good foundation for me in the summertime, but I'm very happy that I got a chance to pick this up. And then another product I ended up getting from KVD Beauty as well was their Everlasting liquid lipstick. It's one of their minis in the shade Milagro. This is what the carton looks like. I am a huge fan of getting minis because I don't think I've ever gone through a lip product before. Maybe a lip balm, but never a liquid lipstick. So minis are the way to go for me, but this is what it looks like. I have this on the lips right now with some lip liner. It's a beautiful muted pumpkin shade. And honestly, I really bought it because it described it like that. When I just saw pumpkin, I was like, yep, have to have it, throwing it in the cart. I don't know, I'm just on this pumpkin kick, but it's such a beautiful liquid lipstick, and have it swatched right here. Such a nice pumpkin shade, very pretty. And then the two other things, they're both like holiday sets. Sometimes I like to pick up holiday sets if they have things that I've been wanting to try and don't want to like commit to a full size, but want to try like multiple options from the brand. But this is the Sol de Janeiro, I forgot what this kit is called, the Carnival Flight Kit, maybe. This was $25 regularly, and it comes with a mini size body wash, a Bum Bum cream, and their Charosta spray. I've been wanting to try their body spray forever, and I just love the scent of the Bum Bum cream. So to get that also in a body wash and a spray, I had to have it. And this, everything smells so good in here. So I thought this would be a good chance to give the body spray a chance and the body wash. I didn't want to commit to a full-size product yet because I've been going back and forth on whether to get the body spray or the perfume. But what I've seen in reviews, the body spray lasts longer is what I see, what I saw. So I'm so excited to give those things a try, and just the scent alone makes me feel like I'm on a tropical getaway. Just even though I'm not physically there, in my mind I feel like I am. And then the last thing is this gift set right here. This is the Brigio's Merry Multi Masking Set, and the main reason I picked this up was for this guy right here. I've been wanting to try this. This is their Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. They had this last winter or last holiday season, and it was a limited edition product, so it ended up going away. So I'm very happy that they brought it back because I've been wanting to try it. I love the packaging, it's so cute, and I'm just a huge fan of Brigio's hair products, and I just love hair masks. I do a hair mask every week, and I specifically wanted to try the honey version. All right, so the last item that I picked up from Sephora is this holiday set from Brigio. This is their Merry Multi Masking set, and this has 3 of their hair masks, and then they have a full-size version of the Honey Deep Moisturizing Mask, and I really wanted to try this. This product was limited edition last holiday, and it ended up going away before I got a chance to pick it up and try it. So when I saw it came back, I was like, yes, put it in my cart. I want to try it. I love Brigio's hair products, and I'm a huge fan of hair masks. I do one once a week, so I'm definitely going to get use out of this. I do already like their normal deep conditioner, which is this one. It's a pretty big size of it. And then they have their other one that I do also have, and this is their avocado kiwi moisture mask. So I'm so excited to have this and try this. I'll definitely have to let you guys know if this is just as good or better than their original hair mask. But that was everything I got from Sephora. So now let's jump into the Ulta items. So I got these 2 lipsticks from LA Girl. This is their Lip Attract lipsticks, and I got it in the shade Nudie and Obsessed. They're a really nice little component, and they were so cheap. I got these on sale for $3.49, and they're normally $5.99, which is also still very cheap. And I was watching Jen Phelps' YouTube channel, and she was swatching these and talking about it, and the formula and everything just looks so beautiful. So I picked them up, and here is Nudie. Come on, focus. And here's what it looks like swatched out. It's like a peachy nude shade, and do you see it has like a little glossy sheen to it? I love lipsticks like that. And then I got the shade Obsessed, which is like a deeper kind of mauve-y brown. Let me swatch that. I'm doing a terrible job on swatching, but you see it just has a nice sheen to this. I've already tried them on the lips and I know I like the formula, so I'm thinking I might want to go and pick up some other colors. And then I picked up 2 lip liners from LA Girl. It's the Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and they're really nice. I like them already. I got the shade Keep It Spicy in the shade Relentless Red, and it's so creamy. I have Keep It Spicy as my lip liner today with the KVD liquid lipstick, and it glided on beautifully, and I think I'm gonna love these. I'm not sure in terms of the lasting power because I have to like test it out a little longer, but these are the 2 shades. So I'll swatch this one here. This is Relentless Red. You just see how creamy. I don't even have to push very hard to get color from that. God, I'm swatching terrible. But those are the 2 shades I got. And I got these for $2.99 each. And I think they're normally like $4.99 or something. So they're just such an affordable lip liner. And from what I can tell, they seem really nice, and they had really good reviews on this, so I think I want to pick up some more colors on these. So the last item that I picked up from Ulta was the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. I picked up 2 shades of this foundation, and I've seen so many reviews about this foundation, and not one person did not like it. And they all had different skin types, from dry skin to normal skin to oily skin, and they all raved about it. So I wanted to give this a try. This is what the container looks like. These are the 2 shades I picked up. I got medium 105 and medium dark 130N. So one's like my winter shade and one is my summer shade. And I just wanted to give this a try because of the reviews, and I like that it is a hydrating formula and then it's lightweight, and that's what I typically like to wear in the winter time because my skin does get more dry during the winter. It's not as oily as it usually is like in the summertime, so it's nice to have a more hydrating lightweight foundation in the winter time. So I'm gonna have to give this one a try. I'm sure I'm going to like it. I have high hopes for it because the reviews were so good about it, so we shall see. I have to give that a try still. But that was everything that I got from Sephora as well as from Ulta. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys ended up getting. Did you do the sale? Did you do any shopping? I love hearing from all of y'all. I will have everything linked in the description in case you are interested in any of the items that I picked up today, as well as my contact information and my Instagram handle, which I'll pop on the screen. I am at Breezy Lifestyle. I just changed my Instagram name from the Curvy Traveler, which is what my YouTube name used to be. So I wanted everything to match up and make more sense. So I'm now at Breezy Lifestyle on Instagram. I would love for you guys to check me out over there. And if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know you guys like these types of videos. And don't forget, if you're new here and you like this video, you had fun, you made it this far, you might as well hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. But that was everything, guys. I just hope everyone is doing well. I'm sending you love and light wherever you are in the world. But until next time, bye, guys.